Imagine opening your fridge and actually knowing exactly what to eat, not feeling confused, guilty, or overwhelmed. No more guessing. No more, "I'll just skip this meal." And no more starting diets that last 3 days and then disappear. What if building a balanced meal plan was simple, realistic, and something you could stick to long term? That's exactly what we're talking about today, so stay with me. Let's start by clearing something up. A balanced meal plan is not about eating perfectly or cutting out your favorite foods. It's about creating meals that fuel your body, keep your energy steady, and support your goals without making life miserable. Balance means your body gets what it needs, not what trends tell you to avoid. Once you understand this, everything becomes easier. Think of every meal as an opportunity to support your body. A balanced plate usually includes a source of protein, carbohydrates, healthy fats, and plenty of fiber. Protein is what keeps you full and helps maintain muscle. This can come from eggs, chicken, fish, beans, lentils, tofu, or yogurt. When protein is missing, you'll notice hunger comes back fast, and cravings hit harder. So instead of asking, "What should I cut out?" ask, "Where's my protein?" Next come carbohydrates, which many people fear but shouldn't. Carbs are your body's main energy source. The key is choosing the right ones most of the time. Whole grains, fruits, vegetables, and legumes provide steady energy and important nutrients. When you include carbs in a balanced way, you actually reduce overeating later. Skipping carbs often leads to low energy, mood swings, and binge eating, which is the opposite of balance. Healthy fats are another essential piece that people often ignore. Fats help with hormone health, brain function, and keeping you satisfied after meals. Adding small amounts of nuts, seeds, olive oil, avocado, or nut butters can make meals more enjoyable and filling. You don't need a lot, just enough to support your body and keep meals satisfying. Now let's talk about fiber. Because this is where vegetables and fruits really shine. Fiber helps digestion, supports gut health, and keeps you full longer. Try to include vegetables in at least 2 meals a day, and don't overthink it. Frozen vegetables, simple salads, or lightly cooked veggies all count. Balance doesn't require fancy recipes or expensive ingredients. When it comes to planning, simplicity is your best friend. Start by choosing meals you already enjoy and gently improving them. If you usually eat rice, add lentils or chicken and some vegetables. If you love sandwiches, use whole grain bread, add a protein source, and include some veggies. Small changes add up, and they're much easier to maintain than a complete food overhaul. Portion awareness also matters, but it doesn't mean measuring everything. A balanced meal should leave you comfortably full, not stuffed and not still hungry. Eat slowly, pay attention to how your body feels, and give yourself permission to stop when satisfied. Learning to listen to your body is a skill, and it improves with practice. So if you remember just one thing from this video, let it be this. A balanced meal plan is about nourishment, enjoyment, and sustainability. It's about building meals that support your body and fit your lifestyle. Start simple, stay flexible, and trust that small, consistent choices will take you further than any extreme diet ever could. If this helped you, keep learning, keep growing, and remember, your health journey is not a race, it's a lifelong relationship with your body.